In today's video, I'm going to take you through how to source properly for Nigerian suppliers. You see, one of the countries you can get quality yet affordable products is Nigeria. And one thing I like about importing from Nigeria is that when you place an order, goods doesn't keep longer, unlike China and other countries. If you place an order from Lagos, within 24 to 48 hours, you are going to receive your goods in Ghana. If you watch this video to the end, I'll also be showing you how to save Nigerian contacts to chat your suppliers on WhatsApp. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and smash the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So now we are going to search for our Nigerian suppliers. There are so many social media platforms you can use to search for your Nigerian suppliers. But in this video, we are going to concentrate more on Facebook. So I'm going to launch my Facebook. You open your Facebook. When you open your Facebook, you'll see this search button. You click on it and then you search for Canteen Quarry Market. So you search. When you search, you see this, you click on groups. You click on groups. When you click on groups, you are going to see more of the groups. The first one we have is 144k members. Then the second one, 35,000 members. The third one, 20,000 members. The fourth one, that's 18,000 members. The next one, we have 81,000 members. So we have so many of the Canteen Quarry Market. So you can choose to join. So you just click on join to join. You can join as many as you want. So you click to join. When you click on join, you click on visit again. So they are taking me directly inside the Canteen Quarry Market Facebook group. So when you go to the group, you'll see so many people are selling. It's a market, everybody is selling. So you see everybody is selling. You can go down, you can search for what you want to buy. Yes, so everybody is selling. So you can see the person has dropped his WhatsApp contact. You can WhatsApp the person to place an order. So you can see, yes, you can see people are selling. You can go back and join another group. So I'm going to join this group. Then I visit the group. This has over 200 key members. Everybody is selling. So you see, all these are suppliers. Yes, so as I promised, at the end of this video, I'll be teaching you how to save and chat these suppliers. So you can see somebody has sent his WhatsApp number. So you can chat them directly on Facebook. You can also chat them on WhatsApp. Yes, so you can see this person is selling 2-in-1 views available at wholesale price, 1,400 naira. I also teach you how to convert your naira to cedis or any other country. Yes, so basically this is how to source for suppliers contacts. Yes, so you can see this person too has dropped his WhatsApp contact. Yes, so you can see everybody is selling, and these are cheap. Yeah, they are cheaper as compared to some of our countries. This person is selling at 7,500 naira. you can see this person is selling at 21 naira. So now let's see how to save suppliers' contacts or how to chat them on WhatsApp. So when you see a supplier's contact, all you need to do is to copy. You can copy this, then you quickly go to WhatsApp. And then you can paste it somewhere. I have my rough work here. Yes, so I'm going to paste this. So when I paste this, then I delete all this, leaving the contact. So all you need to do is to add +234 +234. You add +234. That is the code for Nigeria. Yes, that is their code. You know, Ghana is +233. Nigeria is +234. So then you send. When you send, then you click on the number. When you click on the number, you see chat with this number. So I click on chat with the number. So I'm going to chat the supplier on WhatsApp. Hello, my name is Teacher Onga. I saw your materials on Facebook. Please, how much is the last price? How much is the last price? So you can even screenshot the material and then send to the person. So I'm going to screenshot this, then I send to the person. That is the materials I saw on Facebook. Then you send it to the person. So I send it to the person. So I'm asking of the last price of this material. The person is selling at 1,200 naira. So I'm asking of the last price. So that is how we chat suppliers on WhatsApp. So you can see the person's catalog. Yeah. So that is how we chat suppliers on WhatsApp. So as at recording this video, the supplier has even responded. Yes, so she said the last price is 1,100 naira. That is the last price. So I asked the person, are you in Kano or Lagos? Then she said Kano. Yes, so you can chat more. You can even ask the person to send you more of the products for you to see. Yeah. So that is all for today. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like the video. You can also leave a comment in the comment section. So we are organizing an advanced class where you will get contacts of genuine suppliers from Nigeria. So all what I taught you in this video is just how to source for suppliers' contacts randomly. But in the advanced class, I'll be giving you, or I'll be teaching you how to source for genuine and trusted suppliers. In the master class, I'll also be giving out more than 100 Nigerian factory suppliers contacts, their WhatsApp links, their Telegram links, their warehouses, and etc. etc. This video alone won't give you all the insight you will need to start your Nigeria importation journey unless you join the masterclass to get more insight. If you want to join the masterclass, I'll leave a link below this video. All you need to do is to click on the link to know more, or you can contact any of the numbers on your screen to know more.